the countdown to the Tour of Luzon 2026 is on. And as D-Day approaches, we take a look at the story behind one of its most experienced riders. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho has this report.
As the Tour of Luzon 2026 draws near, preparations are in full swing. And for some riders, the race is more than just competition. It's a story of perseverance. For veteran cyclist Junrey Navarra, the journey has been anything but easy. A native of Tupi, South Cotabato, he has built a reputation as one of the country's strongest climbers. Navarra began his career in mountain biking before making the difficult transition to road racing.
Medyo yung una po, nag-transition, ay naglipat ako ng road bike. Ang hirap po talaga. Kasi hindi ako sanay mag-drop, naghahawak sa drop.
He pushed through, eventually turning professional in 2013 and earning opportunities to compete internationally, including a stint in Italy.
Dalawang taon din po ako sa Italy, nag-try po din ng pro, yung parang continental po na developmental po ng team nila doon. Hirap ng laro at saka yung klima ng lamig, yun po yung hirap po eh.
At one point, setbacks and financial challenges nearly forced him to quit the sport. But in 2018, a return to competition, despite a difficult experience in Vietnam, rekindled his passion.
Pagdating ko ng Vietnam, na-hold up pa ako. Tapos hold up, kinuha lahat yung pera ko, bumalik ako ulit sa airport.
Nearly 2 decades into his career, Navarra remains a key piece for his team heading into this year's tour, despite a tougher field.
Challenge po ngayon yung laro kasi madami po kami kalaban. Daming foreigner na. Hindi lang po Asia yung kalaban, may European po.
Team Standard Insurance is currently training across different terrains, riding up to 5 hours a day.
Kasi pag naiwan po ng first day, malayo na po sa oras po yung... Kasi oras po yung labanan eh. Basta gawin ko lang po yung base ko.
With a longer and more demanding 14-stage route this year, dubbed Heritage in Motion, the Tour of Luzon 2026 will run from April 29 to May 13 and is expected to push every rider to their limits. Kapatid Denise Valdesancho, we are One News.